Welcome to Truehost Academy. Today we're diving into a crucial part of your WordPress site, the footer. Whether you're looking to enhance user experience or boost SEO, a well-crafted footer is essential. And with Elementor, creating an eye-catching and functional footer has never been easier. Let's get started. First up, let's discuss what a footer is. It's the section at the bottom of your web page, present on every page of your site. While footers might not get as much attention as headers, they're key for delivering important information and improving usability. A well-designed footer can include various elements like copyright info, contact details, social media links, navigation menus, and links to privacy policies. It's a spot to make sure your visitors have all the info they need right at their fingertips. If you want a specialized approach to creating a footer, the Elementor header and footer builder plugin is your go-to. Here are the steps. Make sure you have your Elementor plugin installed. If you haven't installed Elementor yet, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to plugins, and click Add New. Search for Elementor, click Install Now, and then activate the plugin. Now we can start creating a footer in WordPress. Step 1. Install the plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type Elementor Header and Footer Builder. When you find the plugin in the search results, click Install Now. After installation, click Activate to enable the plugin. Step 2. Create a new footer. Now that the plugin is active, go to Appearance, Elementor Header, and Footer Builder. Click the Add New button to create a new footer. Enter a title for your footer and choose Footer as the template type. Step 3. Assign your footer. Next, you need to set the display conditions for your footer. Decide if you want it to be visible site-wide or only on specific pages. Configure these settings according to your preference and save your changes. Step 4. Design your footer. Now, let's design your footer. Click the Edit with Elementor button. You'll be taken to Elementor's drag and drop interface. Here you can add sections and widgets and adjust styles. For a well-rounded footer, consider adding Text Editor widget for contact information or disclaimers. Navigation menu, widget for quick access to important pages. Social icons, widget for linking your social media profiles. Customize each widget's content and style to fit your site's branding. Adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to create a cohesive look. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Publish. Finally, review your footer on different devices to ensure it looks great everywhere. And that's it. You've successfully created and designed a footer using the Elementor Header and Footer Builder plugin. And that's it. With Elementor, creating a professional and functional footer is a breeze. Improve your WordPress site today with a footer that's both beautiful and practical. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching Truehost Academy.